Google Chrome remains one of the most widely used browsers in the world. Despite its constant updates, natively the browser still does not allow blocking of web pages to prevent access to any address you have selected. For that, we can use third-party tools to carry out this process, just as it is possible to block part of the content of the web pages from the browser itself. BlockSite is one of the simplest and most capable Chrome Store extensions. The operation is as simple as downloading it and adding the URL that we want to block in your list. Block web pages by URL, words, time periods, and so on. It works not only as a blocker, but is aimed at making you more productive. You can block pages by words, requiring a password to enter websites. You can also add a working mode to block web pages and not distractors for periods of time. From Google, you can block some content. To do this, you must go to the Settings menu, click on the drop-down menu of Advanced Configuration, Account Tuning, Privacy and Security. Then, click on Content Settings and then block images in JavaScript. Using this method, we tell the browser not to load the page by restricting JavaScript and downloading its images. Similarly, you can block access to the microphone, motion sensors, video, and so on, in order to have more control over the permissions that the web accesses. However, this is not the best and infallible method to block websites, so the best solution is to use the third-party tools.